Welcome back to the LarryB YouTube channel. In today's class we're going to learn how to make this beautiful spiral flounce design that we have on this shirt. It's a very simple tutorial and it's beginner friendly. This is something you like to learn. Kindly stay tuned to the end of this tutorial. Thank you. So to create this flounce, I'm going to be working with this. You can see it comes like this. It is sold in the market like this. This particular one comes in layers, okay, and what I need this for is not in layers. So you can see that they are joined together by a loose thread on top like this. They are still separate, they are not together. So with the aid of my seam ripper, I'm going to remove the thread that they use to join it together so that I can separate and work with them independently. I hope you understand that it's coily because it has fishing line weaved together with it. You can see that the hem is coily, so it is sewed like this. So I'll go ahead now and detach this with my seam ripper so that I can have each one of these four separately, and then I'm going to use them to create my flounce. So I'm going to be placing this on a shirt that I already have. So this is very beautiful and you can use it to spice up maybe a plain cloth that you have and you feel needs more. Okay, so you can use it to do that. So I'm going to separate this now and come back to show us what we have. So I've loosened it out now. I can see that I have them in pieces. So what this means is that their sizes are not equal. Okay, you can see this is the biggest, then followed by this, then followed by this. So you need to know how you want to place them on your shirt or on your dress. I'm placing it on this shirt like I said, and it's going to be placed in a spiral form. Okay, so now the spiral, the circular part is going to be on the shoulder area. So I'm going to start from that. So just like we create our normal spiral effect, I'm starting with a circle like this, and then I'm going to keep creating circular effect around that. Okay, so this is my shoulder. So once you are okay with the height that you have after creating your circle, you can stop and then you can start spreading it downwards. So you now spread it as much as you want it to be on your outfit. So you can see what I'm doing, and then I'm creating like a circular form. I'm not making it straight because that is how I want it to be. So it's totally up to you and the design that you are aiming to get. So I'm just trying to create like something curved, something curvy, and then you keep creating like that. So you get to the desired length that you want this to stop. So this is not the only design that you can make with this. You can make several designs, whatever design that you like, you can make it. So we are just doing this for the purpose of this tutorial. So you can see, I hope you can see clearly what I am doing. So you keep creating it like this till you get to where you feel that you are okay with the length that you have and you want to stop. So now let's say, let me do one more and then stop so that I can show you how I'm going to sew it. So let's say I'm stopping here. I'm going to start to sew. So like I said, this comes in, after separating it, comes in sizes. So I decided to use the bigger size to start. So I'm going to start by sewing it like this. So I'll take it to my sewing machine and then I'm going to sew like this, and then when I get here I'm going to turn and then sew on top again. Then I'll continue sewing just like we do. Okay, I hope you can see this. I'm going to start from the hem. So I will sew from where my chalk stops. I'm going to sew it like this, and then when I get here I'll find a way to turn it like this and sew, and then I'll keep turning like that Okay, when I exhaust this, I'm going to continue with the next one. So I'll go ahead and do this now. You can see I'm following the line that I did. I just sew like that. So when I sew to the edge, I'm going to lift my machine foot, and then I'll turn it like this, and then place this on top of it, following this shape that I have. I hope you can see that. So I'm going to follow what I have there, and then I'll continue sewing. To another edge, I'm going to lift it and flip like this, and then I'm going to continue sewing on it, following this line. That's like that. So I'll place it like this, and then continue. Once I sew it up to here, I'm going to just continue in a spiral form like this, and then I'm going to just use this to create like a spiral effect that I'm going to place in between like this. It's just like we create our regular spiral flounce. Okay, so I have gone ahead to fill it up. So I lost some tape, just the way I explained it. That was how I sew around it. So this is what I have. You can see that it's not so full because the material that I use is not even up to 1 yard. It's just a little above half yard. I was able to get this much because I divided it into 4. So that was what gave me this piece that I have here. So if you want yours to be fuller, you need new material, and then that way you'll be able to fill up all this piece. You can see that I did not follow the entire, because if I follow the exact diagram that I have here, it's not going to get up to the upper part. So I'm going to take this to the mannequin so that we can see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like on the mannequin. You can see how beautiful and simple this looks. So if you want it fuller, you just need to get more fabric, and then you have something fuller than this. I hope you enjoy making this tutorial. So if you enjoyed it, let us know in the comment section. Like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one. All right.